Hello and welcome to the Coin Hunter channel. This is my new dedicated numismatic channel. I've had an interest in numismatics since I was a child, and this is an old coin album. Unfortunately it's starting to fall apart and I bought a replacement one. I was going to throw this one away, but I decided I'd do something with it. I've set myself a bit of a challenge. I have a small collection that's now all uncirculated coins that can be found in circulation. Some not anymore because we don't use 1 and 2 cent pieces in this country anymore. And this page used to be the first page in my other album that I now have. I've replaced all except for 1969 with uncirculated coins. I had a mix of circulated and uncirculated, and they just, didn't look right with the nice shiny ones with the dull coins. So this year's 1984, the first year of the $1 coin. Go back to this page. So 1966 is the first year of decimal currency in Australia. The round 50 cent piece was only produced in 1966. So in 1969 they changed the metallurgy and the shape of the coin. So my collection works on specific years of change. So 66 is the first year, 69 the second year. Have 1970 here because this is the first commemorative 50 cent piece that was released. So then we'd go to 1984 where the $1 was released. 1985, which is the change of obverse. So the Queen's effigy was updated in 1985. So currently there's nothing here at the moment. But this would be 1988. Oh, sorry, 1986, because this is the first year of a commemorative $1 coin, which is this one here. So that's 86. So we put that in this slot here. Can't do that with one hand. So that's 86. So the next year will be 1988 because the $2 coin came out, and then 1991 because of the 25th year of decimal currency. 1995 because the first commemorative 20 cent piece was released. Then we have 1999, which is a change of effigy. $2000 because there's the Royal Visit 50 cent piece had a different obverse. 2004, this is an interesting year. It wasn't deliberate, but there's two versions of the 20 cent piece. There's the normal obverse, and then there's another obverse with a smaller effigy and flat tops on the A's instead of being pointed like all the other obverse. And then we'd be looking at 2012 here because of the first commemorative $2 coin and the first coloured $2 coin. And then 2016, there was 2 obverse with the 50th anniversary of decimal currency. So you have the commemoration of 50 years with the obverse being the commemorative side rather than the reverse. And then it'll be 2018 because there were 3 types of obverse on the $2 coin, and 2019 because of the change in obverse from Ian Rank Broadley to Jody Clark. And 2019 was a huge year for numismatics in Australia. There were 31 different $1 coins. It was a massive year. So this album will be mainly coins that have been pulled out of circulation. We no longer have 1 and 2 cent pieces in circulation. You can't find around 50-cent piece in circulation. These are from being a coin collector. I have, some of them on hand, and it will be a challenge over the next year to see exactly how many of these significant coins I can collect until the end of November. And I will be giving this coin album away with all the coins. It'll be free to enter, and it won't be until the last 2 weeks of November the entries will be open. But every week I'll be uploading a new video of the coins I've found by noodling through the change that ends up in my pocket, and hopefully I'll be able to go to the bank and get some rolls or bags of coins to noodle to see what we can find. Hopefully we can fill in these gaps, and it'll be interesting to see if I can get every significant year's coins. Some years are easy, like 1986. There was the only coin that was actually circulated was this $1 coin. So 86 is already done, but 84, 50-cent piece, that's difficult to find. Oh, no, I've got a 50 there already. The 20-cent piece there is missing. So that's a hard one to find. 85, I'm pretty sure there was no 5-cent piece in 85, so I don't have to look for that. I have to check on the Mint website. They show the coins, which ones were circulated or not. But the first page is full, so 66, 69 and 70, they're all there. So yeah, every week there'll be a new video. You'll be able to see how I'm progressing, and in the last 2 weeks of November entries will be opened, and I will be giving this away to some lucky viewer, and that's wherever you are in the world. This could be your Christmas present, a collection of Australia's significant decimal currency coins. And I hope you'll enjoy my channel and watch along with me to see just how we go.